Okay, good day everyone. Good day everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Timothy Olaiwola and I'm the lead expert at Classes Digital Hub. Now, in this YouTube video, I'll be walking us through what social media managers really do, and I'll be focusing more on Instagram app because that's my niche. If you are new to my channel, you are just coming to my channel for the very first time, please subscribe and check out my other videos. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming in here. I look forward to seeing you in my future videos. Please like, please subscribe, please turn on post notification. Without more further ado, let us proceed on what social media managers really do. Number one, they create a social media strategy. Social media managers, number one, create a social media strategy. Basically, a social media strategy is a synergy between your business goals and your social media goals, and how you aim to use social media to achieve that particular business goals, and all of your content strategy. Your content strategy is under your social media strategy. So how you plan to use content and all of that acts and tricks to achieve the social media goals, and how the social media goals also match with their business goals. Another thing social media managers do is number two, they audit and optimize client Instagram accounts. Before now I've said that we focus on the Instagram app. And so as a social media manager, it is your duty that you optimize the client's Instagram account, you audit it, then you optimize it. Optimizing will talk about the feed, the aesthetics, the bio, the highlights, and all of that. Number three, what the social media managers really do. Number three, they create and publish content on feed and stories. Now, if you have created a social media strategy, then your content strategy will be under a social media strategy. And so based on what you have in your content calendar, which is also a fraction of your content strategy, you create and you publish your content. You design the content, then you write out the captions, the hashtags, and all of that. It is the duty of the social media manager. Now, a social media manager is expected to have some graphic design skills, or better still, you could outsource that part of the designing part, or if it's product photos, you get it from your clients. If it's other pictures or other videos, you can also get it from your clients. Number four, what social media managers really do, they engage with followers, new accounts, and following. Now, that's one of the basic ways by which you can grow on Instagram app is through engagement, active engagement, and the level of your engagement depends on how much you want to grow and depends on also the size of your account. A small account require more engagement. A bigger account may not necessarily require so much engagement. So it is the work of the social media manager to engage with followers, to engage with new accounts. I mean, those who have not reached out to those who don't know about you. Then it's also your work to engage with following. Following are those you follow, and their content is obviously going to appear on your feed. It is the work of the social media manager to engage with all of them, and also to engage with people who comment on your post. Do you understand? Now, let's go to the next slide. What the social media managers do. Number five, they conduct hashtag research and analysis. Now, hashtag research talking about finding out the appropriate hashtags to use for that particular post and for that particular account. Now, when you research your hashtags and you fix them up, you also want to analyze the results. Which hashtag is really bringing in the crowd? Which hashtag is truly promoting your post? And you find some, you remove some, you add some. Now, it's a rule. There are so many rules to hashtags, and in any of my future videos, I'm going to dive down deep into hashtags. But basically, the work of the social media manager is to find appropriate hashtag, research hashtag, and to analyze their performance. Now, last but not the least, what social media managers do, they analyze progress, they analyze growth. Okay, we created a strategy, we want to achieve social media goals, we also want to achieve business goals. Now, it becomes important to analyze, okay, what have we achieved so far? Have we achieved the goals we set up, or we have not achieved it? So in summary, those are the basic things, those are the six things that social media managers do, except they have your client gives you some special work that they want you to do for their Instagram account based on your contract, based on the proposal sent to them. There could be other ads on services and depending on you. Now, so far so good. Come to the end of the video, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe, click on the bell notification, comment. What are the other services you render as a social media manager? Drop it in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.